everyone, Matai here from Yulocs, quality lock care. Happy Sunday. How is everyone doing? Oh gosh, these times are so weird. Anyways, I just wanted to hop on here today and talk about the hydrating spray bottle that you can find on yulocs.com. This is the box that it comes in. And this is the spray bottle. So I like to start my days out, as soon as I wake up, I like to get right to it and hydrate my hair. Today, Sundays and Mondays are actually my days off. So I tend to do this a little later in the day because I love to sleep in. Anyways, let me show you how I like to do it. First off, check out Dread Sock. They are awesome. If you're looking for something to protect your locks, have them covered, check them out. You can find all the products by Dread Sock on my website, yulocs.com. So, look at this craziness, guys. 1 year and 2 months now. So the nice thing about the continuous spray bottle is that it doesn't just spritz on one area like the regular type of spray bottles. It mixes, so it really covers your whole entire head. So nothing gets left unwet. And basically, I just spray my hair. I spray my whole head. And it's nice because you don't need to keep pumping it. It goes pretty long. Do you see that? And because I have high top locks, it doesn't take long for me to go through all my hair. And yeah, so everything's nice and damp. And I just like to give my scalp a nice massage and wake up everything. And that's pretty much it. If you like the jewelry that you see in my locks, don't forget to ask me when you come to either pick up your product. If you bought a product online and you want to come pick it up, ask me about the lock jewelry I have. Or if you're coming to get your maintenance done, any service, ask me about the jewelry I have. You will not find any of the lock jewelry on my website. The lock jewelry is for my customers only. So it's kind of a little exclusive. But what do I have today? I have my leaf, my lucky leaf. Where is it? This is my lucky leaf, super cute. I have a couple shells today and my locks. And I really enjoy the septum piercing look, as you can see. So I like to just give my locks some piercings. I don't see it often, so it's kind of nice, a little different. So there's that, and I got where are you? You're still here. I'm looking in the mirror, if you're wondering what I'm doing. I got my lucky stay because I'm a star. And is that it? Oh, I have this one too. This one's kind of fun. It's a little spiral cuff. You can kind of see that there. And is there anything else hidden in my hair? I think that's it today. Got some more little piercings. This guy's fun. Yeah, so that's it. This can be found on Yulocs.com, so if you're interested, go check it out. Grab one while you can. I only have a few left. These are great. I'm not sure if I'm going to be bringing them back. So catch them while you can because they are at a really great price, okay? And that's it. Enjoy your Sunday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.